Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this important video lecture I will discuss a complete drawing of house which I designed for one of my client guys. You can see this is ground floor plan. Also you can see in next page first floor plan, and second guys you can see this is the front elevation, and the other you can see the staircase section, okay, are the X section of this house plan. Okay, so therefore guys, if you need a house plan, 2D structure design, 3D animation, etc., so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number, but this is paid service, not for free. If you are anywhere, you can get a best house plan for domestic building, for commercial building, etc. So let's start guys. Guys, the dimensions of this house plan is, the length is 58 feet by 40 feet. 40 by 58 feet. As you can see here, this is ground floor plan. Guys, this is its front. This is roadside, as you can see. And the covered area is 1243 square feet. Guys, this is its ramp, okay, and the width of the main gate is 12 feet. Okay, this is the walkway for this porch, and the size of the porch is 12 feet, 12 by 12 feet. Okay, this is 12 by 12 feet is the car parking or car porch. Next guys, you can see this is the lawn for this house plan, which is 28 feet and 9 inches, 11 inches by 23 feet and 9 inches. Okay, so this is the lawn, size of the lawn, guys, you can see. Next guys, in this house on the ground floor we have guys one bedroom, drawing room, dining, kitchen, living room. On the first we have two bedroom on the first floor. Okay, I will discuss also that. So let's start guys. You can see this is the main entrance here. Guys, you can see this is the main entrance, which width is guys 5 feet. Okay, the width of this main entrance is 5 feet. Next guys, you can see this is the drawing room, and size of the drawing room is 13 feet by 12 feet. Here guys, this is the a big window for this drawing room. Okay, especially you can use this drawing room for the guests. Okay, next guys, you can see this is the other window for this open sky. This is open gallery, which is 3 feet, and the back side is also 3 feet, but this side is in this car porch, this is guys 6 feet. Its width is 6 feet. Right guys. Also guys, this stair hall you can use from this car porch side. Okay, and also this is the shelf, you can use it also. So here we have under this staircase, this is the other door. Also guys, we have the other entrance, and this is the stair hall. Okay, so this is guys up, right, for the first floor. Next guys, you can see this is the bath, which size is 4 by 6 feet for this drawing room. And guys, this is the ventilation. These two are windows, so this is cross ventilation system, right? Next guys, you can see in this drawing room, this is also opening for this dining. Okay, also guys, you have this is a small door from this living room, and here guys, you can see this is the living room, and size of the living room is 16 feet and 9 inches by 12.5 feet. Okay, next guys, you can see this is the window, and also here we have the cross ventilation. Cross ventilation is very important in house planning, because this is important, very important. Next guys, you can see this is a bedroom. Size of the bedroom is 10 feet, 11 by 10 feet. The width, the length is 11 feet, and its width is 10 feet. Next guys, you can see this is a bath, and size of the bath is 5 by 6 feet, and this is its ventilation. Also guys, this is the window. Also we have here cross ventilation system to this open gallery, and also to this side guys, you can see this is the laundry, and size of the laundry is 6 feet and 3 inches, or 6.25 feet by 5.5 feet. Here guys, you can see this is a store, and the store size is 6 feet and 3 inches by 6 feet, and also this is the ventilation to this open gallery side. Okay, next guys, you can see this is the wardrobe. Okay, here Now guys, you can see this is the kitchen. Size of the kitchen is 10 by 10 feet, and here in this kitchen, with this kitchen we have this store. Size of the store is 4 feet by 7 feet and 3 inches. Also guys, you can see this is the shelf. Okay, next guys, you can see this is ventilation. Also from this open gallery you have a door for this kitchen. Okay, and also this is the other door. Next guys, you can see this bath is also 2 doors. One is from this bedroom side, the other one is for this living room. Okay, and the kitchen window is this one, right? This is the ventilation for this bath. Also guys, this is the open space, okay, which width is guys 6 feet. Okay, so guys, this is the ground floor plan. Now I will show you at first floor. As you can see guys, this is first floor, and the covered area of the first floor is 699 square feet. And guys, we have here 2 bedrooms, and guys, you can see this is the stairs. Okay, and this is the terrace, which size is 12 feet 9 inch by 12.09 feet by 10.38 feet. Okay, you can see this is the passage, and this is guys it's you can see also you will see all these things clearly when you see its front elevation, then you will be clear. Okay, so how guys, you can see here when I show you it's on the first floor guys, you can see clearly. Okay, so this is the its section. Okay, its front elevation is this one. Look here guys, let me show you proper. Guys, you can see clearly this is its front elevation for the first floor, this one. Okay, next guys, you can see here we have 2 bedrooms here. This is the living room. Also this is a terrace. Size of the terrace is 25 feet by 13.38 feet. This is the terrace, and also this is the door for this terrace. And also here guys, you can see this terrace is also using from this side. Guys, this is the window, and also and these are windows. Also this is the window. This is also the terrace. You can also use it, this terrace. This is 1 bedroom. Size of the bedroom is 11 by 10 feet. This is the other bedroom, 10 by 10 feet. Guys, you can see this is a bath, same like ground floor. So also this is the wardrobe. Also this is the wardrobe. This is guys you can see the window. Okay, so cross ventilation again here you can see. So everything is okay, I think. So next guys, you can see this is the its front elevation. So how you can see its front elevation, let me show you the front elevation guys. Clearly you can see everything. Let me show you from here. Now guys, you can see this is its front elevation. Look here clearly, you can see. Okay, for the first floor guys, this elevation is for the ground floor, and this one is for the first floor. Guys, this is the detailed drawing, so therefore I discussed with you to learn something new. This is for first floor. Look here. Okay, now guys, come to its section. Also you can see clearly this is the staircase section. Okay, from the X section at AA. So I didn't mention the AA, but guys, you can see this is the section from the one side. Okay, cross section you can see. So guys, this is a short video but very important, which I have discussed the front of you, a complete drawing. Okay, so if you have any question about this video, so you can comment, so I will try to reply your answer. If you need services for 2D structure design, 3D animation, etc. for domestic or commercial or any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.